दूसरी तरफ बाएं बाजू की उम्मीदवार आइनी राजा ने वायनाड हलके से अपना पर्चा नामजदगी दाखिल कर दिया है। राहुल गांधी से अब उनका मुकाबला होगा। मीडिया से बात करते हुए उन्होंने कहा कि राहुल गांधी के इंतखाब लड़ने से उन्हें किसी भी तरह का कोई दबाव नहीं है। वो LDF के इत्तेहादी उम्मीदवार के तौर पर इंतखाब लड़ रही हैं। वो आवाम के बीच में जाकर अपनी बात को रखेंगी और इंतखाबी मुहिम चलाएंगी।
I am here as a left Democratic Front's candidate to go to the people and tell them, to understand them what they expect from me, and that work we are doing for more than a month. And we are in my this interaction with the people. What I understand is that people are really disappointed because the people of this constituency, they are passing through very difficult situation because of the human-animal conflict or this night travel curfew, whatever may be. So there are a lot of issues. These issues are very core for the overall development of this constituency. That also is there. So people are feeling relieved that their mind they can convey to the person whom they are intend to vote. So that means they are very much disappointed with the performance of